So dude, taking a trip tomorrow, pretty far. The first oil change since I've been owning the M5. I've done other stuff that I'll review, that I'll show you guys later on. But for right now, I want to do this oil change because I've never done an oil change on M5. Pretty sure other people question how to do it. It's basically like the M30 motor because I just did the M30. Let me just show you what I have here. So I got my 6 quarts of, this is the oil I'm using temporarily, you know, waiting for FCP to show me some love so I can get some oil from them. And this is the, you know, AutoZone, unfortunately. Got me a rag, got me a big funnel, shout out to the homie David, and Harbor Freight jack. So just gonna jack this baby up, do an oil change. For sure you're gonna need a 13 and a 17. Off the top of my head, I'm pretty sure that's what it is. And I'll show you when I get there. We are going under the car, and this is a 17. I've never done oil change, but I know they always use 17s for the drain plug, so let's check. And it's a 17. Now, do we go this way? That's the question. Oh yeah. So shoot out right about there. Look how clean it is back down here. On a side note, look at that power steering. I freaking fixed that power steering. I'll show you guys that. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. That's pretty black, bruh. So we're just gonna look at the drain, and then we're gonna fill her up. Literally, it's like the M30. Let me show you where the oil filter is. It's right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and undo this oil cap right here on the valve cover, so we can let gravity take its course. God dang, that's hot. All right, let's do the oil filter. As we're waiting for that to drain. Word to the wise, make sure you have a lot of rags. I don't really have that many rags, so we'll see how messy this gets. I'm gonna break this bad boy loose real quick. Put that little breaker bar in there. Bam. Alright, so it's gonna start leaking from that oil filter housing, so make sure you have a rag. I like how it's black. Ooh, hot. Oh, that does not look good at all. Check that out. I don't know how that happened, but it happened. New one here. Pop this baby in there. Same one, and bada boom, bada bang, bam. So we usually put that like that. You gotta change this O-ring, and on the boat you actually have an O-ring too, but for some reason my kit didn't come with this, so temporarily I'm just gonna reuse this. It should be fine, and it should come with a crush washer. I have a crush washer in the car, but yeah, like I said, until I shop at FCP Euro, I'm gonna have to reuse this. And for the meantime, just throw this bad boy in. I'm not gonna run this oil for a long time because your boy wants that liquid moly. I'm gonna go ahead and put this oil filter in. What I usually like to do is just put a little bit of oil in there. For some reason, I don't know. Just makes me feel better. Start wrapping her back up, so vice versa. Make sure to change this O-ring. And you should be able to change this washer, change this O-ring, and your crush washer on the bottom, and you should be good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and start closing the bottom up and then working on the top. So I'm gonna wait for it to drain all the way out. We still got a slow drain. In the meantime, so this video should be out ASAP. Since it's gonna be out ASAP, in the future, I'm going to a car meet and I wanna ask funny questions. So if you guys could comment below funny questions and I can ask people, and then that video will be up ASAP too. As we're waiting for this oil to drain, can you comment a funny question that you would like me to ask at the other car meet? It's happening in San Diego, so that's why we're taking this bad boy. And on a side note, let me show you this. Your boy has a roof rack, man. He is one of those guys. Shout out to PT Smog. Shout out to the homie Paul. He let me borrow it, but it looks so good. I'll show you guys later. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get back to this because I have a long day tomorrow and I want to see if my AC system works. So, all right, so I just buttoned it up in the bottom. We're gonna pull out the old oil. lower the car, fill up with the new oil. We should be good to go. Sorry if this wasn't the most technical. I'm not even wearing gloves. Literally, it's, you know, at first I was scared to fix this car, and the more I got into it, the more I started realizing, like, dude, it's just a mechanical motor. Nothing to be afraid of. So as of right now, you know, there's these guys, you overthink it. And yes, I understand you overthink it. You want to like protect everything, but in reality, as long as you make sure everything's okay and you're good to go, you don't have to be 100 times professional, because, you know, I know I'm gonna get judged. I'm not wearing the black gloves and being so fancy. I'm literally just doing an oil change like ABC, as easy as 1, 2, 3. And that's another reason why I was kind of hesitant to make videos on YouTube, because a lot of people get judged, and I am not the most professional person in the world, so I knew a lot of people would judge me. So hopefully you guys understand. I'm just like you know, get her done type of guy. Yeah, look how beautiful this baby looks. Hold on, let me just shut my mouth. With the roof rack, damn. All right, now next, time to get our big old funnel and start pointing. You know what? I ain't even gonna use that because I don't need it. All right, get my oil and let's pour it in. It's currently getting dark. Tomorrow's the day we head out, so I'm just gonna pour this bad way in. Check this out. Say I can't do it. Say I can't do it. Bam! Look at that. Oh, take it easy. All right, we're doing good. We're doing good. Where I really want to be very professional at, valve adjustment, because that I am pretty scared, but I know it's not the worst thing in the world. I got to do a valve adjustment on that. I mean, I don't know if I have to do it, but I would rather do it just because I just lowered the car. I would rather do it because it's one of those precaution, and the car has high miles, so I'm pretty sure it hasn't been done in a while. And hopefully my buddy can actually help me. So I would head out to him. Shout out to Bavarian Garage. You guys seen that video, and if you haven't, it's right there. All right, so I'm gonna keep filling this up. For the most part, I need some comments for when I go to the car meet so I can make a funny video. This thing really took 6 quarts, so it was a line. And neutral, we're gonna fire up. So yeah, there you have it. You guys have been waiting for the M5. This is a short little video. I got way more to update. Sorry for like being so unorganized and just laying them out all weird, but yeah, I just try to edit as much as possible, and sometimes I pick the shortest video, so this one's going out before the other ones, but it's up and running, and I've been driving this bad boy a lot and I love it. I still need spark plugs. It's burning all the oil that I spilled. I need spark plugs. I did do this vacuum line kit, and I'm currently gonna do the AC on it. So hopefully, if it holds pressure, I'm gonna go ahead and retrofit 134. Unfortunately, I wish I could run R12, but I can't because California banned it, and plus, you can't find them anywhere. So look at all this smoke. I thought I didn't need a funnel like a cool guy. Look at me now. So yeah, I'm gonna go run to AutoZone, buy some oil for that pump, and go ahead and fix this. Check if I have pressure, no leaks in my AC system. So yeah, comment, and that's all. M5 oil change, my first one ever. Not bad at all. Don't be scared, guys, if you are. And if you like the video, like, subscribe, comment, all that famous YouTube stuff. Make sure to comment funny things so I could ask people. And see you guys soon. Peace.